Astro isn't just a web framework, it's a paradigm shift. Imagine a framework that focuses not on optimizing JavaScript, but on rethinking how we structure and deliver content on the web. Let's just address the elephant in the room. How is Astro different from frameworks that primarily optimize JavaScript? Astro takes a bold step by emphasizing the selective removal of JavaScript. Instead of loading bulky scripts globally, Astro adopts a per page and even per component JavaScript approach. This means you can choose where and when to load your JavaScript, only loading it where it's needed, enhancing your site's performance without compromising functionality. Not only does Astro redefine how JavaScript is handled, it also offers a unique flexibility. Astro allows you to seamlessly integrate with any front-end framework of your choice. Whether you're a fan of React, Vue, or Svelte, Astro even lets you mix and match frameworks. Want to add React? No problem. Just run npx astro add React. Want to use a few frameworks? No problem there either. Simply add all of your frameworks separated by a space. This means you're not locked into a specific technology stack. You get the best of both worlds, Astro's performance optimization and the freedom to leverage the front-end framework that suits your project best. Now, let's talk about the innovative concept that sets Astro apart, the island concept. Imagine your web page as an archipelago of islands. Each island is a component and has its own dependencies, styles, and scripts. These islands are self-contained, reducing the global scope of your project. This independence means that changes to one island don't necessarily impact others. It fosters modular development and efficient maintenance. One of the most crucial aspects of Astro's island concept are the client directives. These directives allow you to precisely control how and when your JavaScript is loaded. You have various options out of the box to tailor the loading strategy based on your specific needs. Client load hydrates the component immediately upon page load, ensuring that it's ready to roll right from the start. Client idle is a more deferred approach. It circles back and hydrates after the initial page load. It depends on browser support and can trigger either when the request idle callback or document load event fires. If you want JavaScript to kick in when the component enters the user's viewport, optimizing the loading process, then use the client visible directive. Client media utilizes media queries to decide when to hydrate the component, offering a responsive loading strategy based on the user's device characteristics. Client only is identical to client load, but with a twist. It skips the server-side rendering. This can be handy for situations where you prefer client-side rendering exclusively. If all these pre-built options weren't enough, since version 2.6, Astro has empowered developers further by allowing the creation of custom directives. This means you can tailor the loading behavior to suit even the most unique project requirements. Now, before we get too carried away with Astro's strengths, let's address a crucial consideration. While Astro excels in removing unnecessary JavaScript, offering unparalleled speed for many use cases, it is not a silver bullet for every scenario. If you're building a feature-rich web application with a substantial amount of client-side interactivity, Astro won't deliver the same noticeable performance boost. In fact, Astro's own documentation advises that for such use cases, you might want to explore other frameworks. If this is you, then stick to frameworks specifically designed to optimize the JavaScript you know you need to load. By selectively loading JavaScript and embracing the island concept, Astro delivers unparalleled performance benefits. Your users get a faster experience, and you get a framework that adapts to your needs. Astro isn't just a framework, it's a philosophy. It challenges the conventional norms of web development, giving you the power to craft performant, modular, and delightful web experiences. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Astro and revolutionize the way you approach web development.